Wind 240 degrees 0 miles north. Caution to further approach path on the 28 left clear to land.
Okay, right left, runway 28 left. On the road, 207.
Sun 211 miles. Number 2 approaching 15 miles, company ATR.
The flight controls check, check guidance square, check briefing confirm, lab setting confirm, 2-1 DR V2 P number 29, 156, 169, 86, 7037. Down. 41,285.
On 211 for the X2 to the left cross M2 at flight level 270 wrap up.
Take off level.
Assalamualaikum, Pakistan 650 established localized situation.
Pakistan 650 Walaikum Assalam, please check here, down and door. Wind 240 degrees to Naira north, continue approach runway 28 left.
Continue approach to left, Pakistan 650.
Pakistan 650, preceding landing traffic China Southern 6007 landed.
Copy, Pakistan 650. China Southern 6007 landed 04. Taxi to stand 10. We are XTV Bravo, Lima Kilo in November, drop on the speed line. Okay, Bravo Lima Kilo, November, stand number 10.
Clear to land.
Discussion complete, clear land to left, Pakistan 650.
Pakistan 211 behind, standing company ATR, line up on the 28 left and wait behind.
There are 2 stations to take off. Lahore.
landed 07. Taxi to 1027. We are taxi to Delta 1. Cross runway to side.
Can you repeat the transmission of Pakistan 650?
Pakistan 650 landed 07. Taxi to 1027. We are taxi to Delta 1.
27 Delta 1, Pakistan 650.
Pakistan 650, contact GMC North 123-1050 now sir.
123050 now sir. Then we come to the 28 left Pakistan 211. Pakistan 211 North. Now, but in flight Charlie 1 Delta, flying flight level 260 on the 260 on Pakistan 211. Level 260. That's one.